Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special for you, especially if you're serious about your workouts and staying hydrated. We are taking a deep dive into Ascent Clean Hydration Energy Electrolytes Powder, a product that promises to fuel your performance and keep you energized without the junk. So, let's get started. Ascent Clean Hydration Energy Electrolytes Powder is designed for those who demand more from their hydration. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who needs a clean energy boost, this powder has you covered. But what makes it stand out from the crowd? Let's dive into the benefits. First up, clean ingredients. Ascent is known for keeping things simple and clean, and this hydration powder is no different. It's free from artificial flavors, colors, and sweeteners. Only the good stuff goes in your body. Next, electrolyte balance. Hydration is key, especially during intense workouts or hot days. This powder is packed with essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which help maintain your body's fluid balance, reduce cramping, and keep your muscles functioning at their best. And then there's the energy boost. Not only does this product hydrate, but it also provides a clean energy lift thanks to naturally sourced caffeine. No jitters, no crash, just smooth, sustained energy to power you through. Now, let's talk about taste and mixability. Ascent Clean Hydration Energy Electrolytes Powder comes in a refreshing flavor that's not overly sweet, perfect for those who want a clean, crisp drink during or after their workout. Plus, it mixes easily with water, so you won't be dealing with any clumps. This product is perfect for anyone who needs a clean, effective hydration solution. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a long run, or just need a midday pick-me-up, Ascent has your back. So, if you're looking for a hydration solution that not only replenishes electrolytes but also gives you a clean energy boost, Ascent Clean Hydration Energy Electrolytes Powder is definitely worth checking out. I've been loving it, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. And if you've tried this product, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay hydrated and keep pushing forward.